a lot of taping and house wrap repairs. Everywhere that he marked, we went ahead and taped it up as need be. Right here, fasten all that with nails, or I'm sorry, staples, additional tape on the outside. Anywhere he marked, we taped up for you guys, so you have a nice good water barrier on the property. Also added some additional tape on the outside in certain areas. Just went around the entire property here and tightened up the house wrap. All right, next he was asking, hopefully you can see past my cracks. He was asking us to fasten the house wrap on the windows. So I'll show you that real quick. Now, we just did a training on how this should be done. So all of this is fastened how it should be. This is tape that is ran halfway from the windowsill. That acts as a moisture barrier, water barrier. And then we also went through and just nailed and taped all the pieces on the side throughout the house. So anywhere that was kind of overlapping or needed to be tightened up, all of that is good. As well, you will have drywall, your window stool, and trim. So all of this is airtight and verified by the county with the insulation inspection today. Speaking of insulation, you can see your house is fully insulated. This is the last step before drywall is hung. Drywall is on schedule to be delivered today. So as soon as we get drywall, we will start hanging. All right, back to the inspection report here. All right, you had some short studs. Now the repair for a short stud is to shim the top. So I will show you over here. Small pieces of wood are added to the top and screwed in to get that flush connection at the top. So that top plate, those two horizontal pieces of wood are bearing how they should be on these studs. So we did the liberty to check everything. Anywhere there was a short stud, we had shimmed it. All right, moving on. He mentioned your HVAC line and how that should be flush with the drywall. So over here in your master, this line is now flush with the wall. Also, we do have blocking behind the line. The reason we do that is when we install siding on the outside, if we have this line flush with the OSB on the outside of the house, this tends to get nails in it and cause gas leaks. So we actually do block it all the way up and make sure that we aren't risking any nails hitting these gas lines.